how to set print area in Excel. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to provide you with step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. It is super useful feature when you want to print on your specific part of the sheet, so you can follow out this method for that. So what we can do is we can open up Excel and we can just head over and set print area, which is very best and most used method. So you can select up the cells that you want to print, for example this first cell, and you can go to the page layout tab in the top of the screen, find it up, and from here we can directly look out for the option called print. So look out for the option called print area, for example this print area, and there you can select the option of set print area, and it will print only the selected part once you do so. Once you've selected the data that you would like to print, and it will directly print the only selected area. If you want to reset it, what you can do is you can go to the page layout option at the top and again click on print area and select the option of clear print area, and it will clear out the print area, and you can preview before printing as well. For that, if you have already selected, you can just go and select it like print area, set print area, and then you can just go over and press Ctrl+B, and it will show you the space like this. You can see, you can check it out, and you will be seeing exactly what will be printed. If it does not look right, you can go back and again adjust it. You can just go over and head back and you can adjust it. And if you want to set print area using page breaks, what you can do is once you have selected it, you can go to the view option in the top, and from there go to the page break view, find that option here, preview, and there you can look out for you can drag the blue lines to adjust the print area like this, and that should also work. And you can, after that, once you've set it up, you can go to normal view like you did, and that's it. Usually you can just go over and follow this method and you should be able to print area on your Excel. You can follow this method. Setting up the print area saves paper and prints only what we need, so you can follow this method. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.